'cause I don't even know myself.
Nothing can stop us now, you don't want a problem, pal. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came up, everybody tried to clown us. Now the same people trying to say that they the ones that found us. All the minutes, all the hours, all the tears we devoured. Now we up, feel the power, screaming out the world is ours. Close to my voice, looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me and stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it back. Come on. Told each other we could do anything that we want and nothing could stop us. I got the ball, not gonna drop it. No one can take this away from us, that's a promise. Can't let this moment slip away, can't have that on my conscience. I admit I lost my way, I was unfaithful, but it's a new day, and I'm so grateful. I still got a chance to show you that I'm worth it. Can't take back what I did, cause you know that I'm not perfect. Hold my head up to the sky, through the clouds I'll survive. No regrets, I'm alive, no more tears, let's get high. Remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Just know that I love you and memories will never die. This is all I've ever known, the stage is my throne, this is where I belong. Don't ever feel alone, just remember this day and everything that I said. The sun will still shine long after I'm dead. Yeah.
Shine with me, ride with me. Even if I make mistakes, I need somebody to hold me down. Not somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right here. Yeah, I said it all before and I still feel the same. I'm finding trouble finding somebody that I really trust. It's hard when you're feeling like the world is out to get you and nobody will respect you till they seeing you adjust to what? To the money, to the cars, to the crib, to the bars on the strip, to the ladies in the booth. I just wanna find something different instead of hearing the lies and then finding out the truth. Truth hurts, real talk, you know it's worth it. Weird type of feeling, in fact, it ain't perfect. Somebody had left you in the shade. Somebody had left you in the grave. I ain't fucking with the phonies at all. Dip the spot, then I'm out, give my homies a call. Say she only installed, tryna hold my ass back, man. Fuck that noise, she don't know me at all. Shine with me, ride with me. Even if I make mistakes, I need somebody to hold me down. Not somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right here. It's kinda hard to explain. It's kinda hard to explain. Light turned to shade, then it started to rain. And the woman that I dated left departed in pain. Like a father would say, every break is gonna make another bride in the game. Broaden your aim, don't get caught in the chain. Riding in pain ain't a part of your lane. You understand there's always more than what you got in the frame, you dig? Yeah, I know. Got a line road coming, so here I go. Gotta keep the shit smooth like a T.I. flow. While I fight for the future like a G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe, yeah, but I ain't heading to war. And this shit is just a game, so I'm setting the score. Man, I said it before. People love to talk shit, then they smile in your face just to get in the door. Shine with me, ride with me. Even if I make mistakes, I need somebody to hold me down. Not somebody that I can't replace.
Shine with me, ride with me.
Life was really made for two. I'll be there when you need me near. You should know I'll be there for you.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right, yeah.
Realize,
I'ma be right, yeah.
realize, realize.
I'ma be right here.
It's you, it's me, it's them,
It's everyone. They trick our minds to get what they want. We're so sick of being used. We'll be no product for you.
for me, for them.
For anyone who tricks my mind to get what they want. 'Cause I'm so sick of being used. I'll be no product for you.
Now, I can't believe what I see. Bunch of people brainwashed and they're thinking they free. We need the best clothes that our money can buy, just so we can post a picture on the gram like, yeah, like what the fuck is the matter? Man, that logic is wrong. We've been focused on this dumb shit for way too long, so we missed the real picture when we're glued to our phone. It's like the system wants to make a generation of clones, so we can all stay within their lines. In reality, they trying to control our minds, make us feel like we need a pair of Calvin Kleins. Kinda sad how a brand is controlling our lives, and really, we just want what Kanye's got, so we go out and get what Kanye's got. We see them happy and famous and try to live their life. They got us thinking that success is wearing some Nikes, and honestly, I can't stand rappers today making all this shit music claiming they ain't a wave. Tell the fans that everything they dropping is flames, but only sold a bunch of records because of their names, and we're not stupid. I can see right through their lies. I guess that's kind of the reason that all he raps in the rise. I'm so sick of all this bullshit I'm coming to find, 'cause it's taking the place of real art like, man.
It's me, it's them.
It's everyone. They trick our minds to get what they want. We're so sick of being used. We'll be no product for you.
For me, for them.
For anyone who tricks my mind to get what they want. Cause I'm so sick of being used. I'll be no product for
This world is so perverted, it's kinda hard to believe. We just can't have one girl, we need three. They go complain to our friends like nobody's loyal. I wonder why, how stupid can we actually be? Oh, you don't give a fuck? Maybe then it's time to start. Look around, cause everybody's falling apart. And trust me, I understand that things get hard, but don't be fake, be real, just be who you are. And fuck these other rappers out claiming they spit facts, but only spend a minute on all their tracks, telling people that life is all money and sex. What a joke, see? I just think that music is trash, about inspiring minds and telling the truth. Giving a voice to the people is the path I choose. I write this music for you, not for money or views. I'm here to tell you full of dreams, you got nothing to lose. This is our time, we just gotta take that chance. This a fight for real music and I'm taking a stance. I give my heart and my soul, never anything less. And for real, I'm here for every one of my fans. I'm here to tell you that you can make it one more night. Just hold on, please, we can make it one more night. You ain't giving up yet, we got tons more fight. You see, together we can turn this darkness into light.
It's you, it's me, it's them.
It's everyone. They trick our minds to get what they want. We're so sick of being used. We'll be no product for you.
For me, for them.
For anyone who tricks my mind to get what they want. Cause I'm so sick of being used. I'll be no product for you.
Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I say I'm here for good. Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I think I'm stuck here for good. My head is aching, and this ain't my room, and these ain't my friends. The fuck did I do? Last night was crazy, was I really that screwed? And my memories hazy, was I really that dude? Last night with a glass so sipping, started the night with flip cup. Feeling I'm stable, damn I'm tripping, getting a little bit sick. But Red Bull mixed with Jaeger. When I get to the peak of the point at night, it's like a savior. Can't handle the party cause you drank, I know that flavor. Yeah, remember that neighbor that was trying to hate on us, screaming about our poor behavior, saying it needs to adjust. But I couldn't care less, I felt like I couldn't be served. Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I say I'm here for good. Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I think I'm stuck here for good. And I'm booking it out of the bag, while my boy gripping up onto the pack, sprinting and jumping right over the gate, and we tripping off all of the liquor we had. We brought the Bacardi another damn morning, they busting a party, we ain't even mad. We both got a hottie, both got a nice body, they trying to get naughty, let's leave it at that. Cops won't find us here, dipping with no idea where we're going. Brought my vodka in the bag in case we keep liquor flowing. No lights, no flicker showing, so the cops can't bust. Feeling like the bad boy that your pops can't trust. Damn. Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I say I'm here for good. Hopping, rolling, feeling golden. But now I think I'm stuck in the woods, zoning, cause I'ma need to find my way home before I think I'm stuck here for good. I'm spending all of my dough, I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks, and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Let me get it on a Friday. got to the club and it's turned the fuck up and it's hot as a sauna. What a surprise, look at that girl. Damn, she thinks she's hot as Rihanna. She thinks she's a young Madonna. I'll give that 7 or 8 at the best. 9 if I'm staring down straight at your chest. 10 if I'm drinking as late as the chefs. I'll say I'm impressed when I see someone standing out. Not the ones that keep on handing out booty like change. They moody and strange, like Judge Judy on stage. What? That's an analogy. I hope you're proud of me. I've been undoubtedly spending much more than my salary offers me hourly. Fuck it, this liquor empowers me. I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Right? Let me get it on a Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Ordering shots of tequila, that shit got me stuck in a daze. I can't believe that I'm still on my feet. Matter of fact, I'm fucking amazed. I don't think I feel my face. All of this liquor keeps losing its taste. Taking these shots and I hit that shit raw while the girl at the bar says it's better with Chase. Speed up the pace, hit me again. I could use a couple shots to the dome. If I ain't spending my time by the bar, then I'm probably working on who to bring home. I need a loan, all of my money is gone. Fuck it, I'm in my zone. She wants the bone. She said she'd drop me a tone. Wait, where the fuck is my phone? I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed. I got fine women and fine drinks and I'm trying to make the shit last. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Let me get it on a Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. It's Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. Let me get it on a Friday. Thank God, little homie, it's Friday. It's Friday.